All right guys, all right. Welcome back to Awesome GTI. And today we have EVILGT's RS3. Stop laughing at me. You might have to cut it out. What are we having today? So today, I am Mike Ash. And today, EVILGT are having KW adjustable springs because the racing line springs were too low. And what else were we having? This Matt, he does this quite a lot, doesn't he? Huh? Yeah. 034 and rear anti-roll bar, and we're also having an ECU tune and possibly a gearbox tune on it. Is this what he does? All right. He does that a lot, doesn't he? So today,
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's see, sorry it's been a while. Let's see what we got going on here today. I know there's a couple of cheeky chappies back in the building. Back at the home of EVILGT. Hello. Ben Lee. What are you doing in our office? Looks like you've made yourself at home. You've got your Louis Vuitton bag.
Oh, that's nothing to do with me now.
Sorry, we have got the homeless in. Look, these guys even come equipped with their own little heater.
You buy these, $19.99, EVILGT.
Right, you got your RS3 in today. What are we doing?
It's having KW adjustable springs, it's having an 034 rear anti-roll bar, and we are having it flashed APR stage 1.
That's it.
Right, so let's go through, see Tabby, and have a look at the car.
So KW spring on, apart from the obvious, the yellow, the difference in colour. This is a progressive spring. The best thing obviously about this spring and this kit is the adjustability. So you have a range of, the height that you can set the spring up at. I mean, one of the downfalls, I guess, I'd say for me, with the design of this spring is the adjuster is actually on a bearing, so adjusting it would be difficult on the car, not to mention this sits right up in the strut housing of the car, so you couldn't access it with the tools to adjust it anyway, so that would require removal to fit, or at least these 13s dropping and letting it hang, which I probably wouldn't advise anyway. So for me, every adjustment you want to make on this, you've got to take the strut off, which I guess is, for me, a little bit of a design flaw on this particular kit. Because there's plenty of other kits out there, there's C8, C7, RS6s where the adjuster is at the bottom, and they're really good, really straightforward to adjust on the vehicle. Yeah, that's it. We're going to go ahead and get that fitted onto the car.
So what do you want us to say about this?
Yeah, what's up?
So,
Where's the script?
we haven't got a script, but what we have done is bought our RS3 here to Awesome GTI.
Your RS3.
My RS3, well, it's my missus technically.
Because I ain't paying for this.
Why? You said you was.
No, it's yours.
It's my missus. Shall we get some money off her?
Yeah,
Good
get
luck with
it
that.
today, yeah.
So it's coming. We're having the KW adjustable springs put on it, the 034 rear anti-roll bar put on it, an ECU tune, and possibly a gearbox map as well.
Yeah.
Is that right with you?
And we've already encountered the first problem.
Yeah.
The adjustable springs are not technically adjustable.
Not on the car. The
have
front springs aren't
You have
adjustable
to
on
take
the car.
them off to adjust them.
Right, okay, so as well as the KW springs, we're having the 034 rear roll bar on there. So uprated bushes and roll bar on the rear should help any flex on the rear end, should improve the drivability of the vehicle quite a lot. Yeah, so we're going to get that fitted on. Right guys, so as well as the suspension upgrades that we've done on the vehicle, it's also having an APR Stage 1 ECU tune. So we're about to load that on and get going on the dyno.
It's a leaky beat.
Right, so that's it guys. You've seen obviously the RS3 getting the 034 roll bar, KW suspension, and of course been on the dyno with the APR map. And we'll put the graph up and the figures up as to what that car produced. So it's a goodbye from me, and it's a goodbye from these.
See you in a bit.
See you later.
How do you feel about it, Ben?
Is this the end now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thanks for teaming up with that, Abby. Much appreciated, mate. Yeah, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Loads of power.
How can you say you're not driven it yet?
No, but we're going to see how it goes. You're going to let me finish here or what? Always putting in, honestly.
So you can ditch swing on the figures, can't you?
Yeah.
So you've got...
But I don't think you can swear on their channel, though.
Yeah, you can.
Swear, anyway,
All right.
it's YouTube, innit?
From Manchester, isn't they?
Yeah, yeah.
But, yeah, so we're looking forward to getting out on the road, see what it looks like.
Happy days. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.
EVILGT.
Oh, EVILGT as well, yeah.
Forget these guys.
So, yes, thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.